Welcome to GrendelWerks Garage does a 1972 Chevy Nova. I don't know how long this is going to be a long video. This is going to be a long series, really long series of videos. 1972 Chevy Nova barn find. These are the parts the guy had in the bin that he said came with the car. The poor trunk. The trunk needs the most work. He's got the cardboard rear tray. Look. Original wheel covers. Not even damaged that bad. A little ding here and there. I think these can be addressed. Seals. Rubber inner fender flaps. I don't know what kind of gasket kit that is. Some kind of a seal kit. Looks like a lens kit, maybe lens seals. Drum brake kits, Nova emblem. I don't know where that goes on the car somewhere. So this barn find Nova, and it's a 250, unfortunately, or fortunately, depending who you are. Was found in my barn. It's been in my barn since I was born. This car, I was driven home from the hospital in this car when I was born. Ah! Ooh, see all the rust. There's my 250 engine in all of its glory. My 250 cubic inch. 155 horsepower, baby. And like a sewing machine. The car has like 78,000 miles on it, I think. I got it when it had 28,000 miles on it. It was my grandfather's car. Then it was my first car. So it was the first car I ever rode in ever when I was born. My mom held me in the passenger seat in a mini skirt 3 days after giving birth to me. And then I got the car when I was 16 and I drove it for a year and a half or two. And then I put it away very badly, not pickled, not in a good garage, unfortunately. It wasn't a garage, a barn. It was a very barn-like garage. Animals lived in it. Animals ended up living in the car. It was pretty, you'll see the interior when the time comes. But you can see, like in the back here on the quarter, common rot right here. And back right, same thing. I think front right, maybe same thing. I don't really want to replace anything on the car. I want to keep as much of the original car as I can. I don't know, but you can see what like rodents did to my. This was actually always cut when I had the car. The seam was always split, but then the rodents decided to, do their thing. But bench seats, no rugs. Headliners destroyed, unfortunately. Animals again. So it really is pretty much just going to get completely taken apart. And I'll try to document it. So welcome to 1972.